Good afternoon, third standard. How are you all? This is page 95 of your textbook, and this is the article we did last week, How Daisy Gets to School. Now, uh, the words in blue, I hope you understood. With these words, you're going to uh, do a crossword puzzle. Okay, what is a crossword puzzle? Just a minute. Yeah, okay. This is a crossword puzzle. Now, one down. Can you see down one? So E word, you wear a dash to stop you from falling down. Okay. Whatever that word is, you will write like this. All right. Now down three. See, a dash is a long walk, usually in the countryside. Now across two. A dash is a large valley, very steep sides. Whatever that word is, it will come here. So what happens is the second letter of this word and the second letter of this word is the same. That is why it is coming, what do you say, it is coinciding or it's the same box. Okay. Now 4 across like this. Daisy travels to school by, what is it? Fifth one. Across, a dash is a thick, strong wire. Okay. Here. Now there are 5 words. And all the 5 words are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So it's not going to be difficult. All you have to do is write it as, uh, I don't know whether it will be difficult for you to write it as boxes. So just write 1, what the answer is, 2, what the answer is, 3, 4, 5. Just give me the answers. Okay. But just check whether it uh, matches, the common letter matches. Okay, so just give me the 5 answers, no need to draw boxes and all right. Okay, now let's go back to, yeah, now here, um, can you see the words get, G-E-T? Okay, yeah, talk about how you get to school. What do you mean by that? Travel to school. Okay. Now, there is another place where she says get. Get safely. What does that mean? Travel safely. Okay. Uh, makes the journey, but it never gets any easier. So here, is it travel any easier? No. That means it is. It never becomes easier. The change is that travel is never easier. Okay. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ അർത്ഥം ഗെറ്റിന്റെ വേറെയാണ്, ഇവിടെ ഗെറ്റിന്റെ വേറെ. Okay. Now she says that she still gets nervous. Gets nervous പറഞ്ഞ travel nervous ആണോ? അല്ല. ഈ ഗെറ്റിന്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്താ? It means nervous ആവും. Okay. So a change of feeling or situation. Alright. So now let's look at this. Now here you will find it easier. Okay. This is Amy and she's talking about how she travels uh, when she travels by car. Okay, so I don't really like traveling by car. I get bored. You see that? So a change in her situation. She becomes bored when I am in the car for a long time, and sometimes I get travel sick. Travel sick പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലർക്ക് കാറോ ബസ്സിലോ പോകുമ്പോൾ they become sick. ഛർദ്ദിക്കാൻ വരുന്ന മാതിരിയും തലവേദനിക്കുന്ന മാതിരിയും. Okay, that's called travel sickness. I get travel sick too. On motorways, I get nervous. That we already saw. You become nervous when other people drive their cars too fast. When mom takes me to school, I get worried. I become worried. When we get stuck, when we are stuck in the traffic jam, because it makes me late. Okay. So when do you get bored? When are you bored? While traveling, do you get bored? Uh, in the house, do you get bored? Do you ever get travel sick? Do you ever get sick while traveling? And when? What kind of travel? So just think of these answers. Live class, we will try and discuss it, but just think. Okay, when do I get bored? Or when the TV is off? Let most of you TV ആണ് entertainment. Do you ever get nervous? Nervous പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് പരിഭ്രമം. When you're traveling, do you get nervous? വല്ലാതെ സ്പീഡിൽ പോയാൽ നെർവസ് ആവോ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാറിൽ ഹോൺ അടിക്കുമ്പോൾ നെർവസ് ആവോ? Just think of it. ഇതൊന്നും എഴുതേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. These are all questions to understand yourself better. Do you ever get worried about anything? മാർക്സ് കമ്മിയായി, ആ ആർക്കാ വറി? നോ പ്രോബ്ലം അല്ലേ? കുറച്ച് ചീത്ത കേൾക്കും, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ, റൈറ്റ്? But do you get worried? Oh, my toy is broken. Or what do you get worried about? And when was the last time you got excited? When you get excited? Uh, Surprise birthday party or your family, the cousins come. So these are questions you have to ask yourself, and you don't have to write it. It is just for you to understand yourself. All right. So get can be used in a lot of ways. Can you get me a glass of water? What does that mean? Bring me a glass of water. So get in a kore different variations and meanings in it. All right, that's standard. Okay. So that's it for today. Please do the I'll send this to you. Please just give me the 5 answers. All right. Okay then. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.